Good morning to my viewers. Today I am going to explain to you how to refill HP 110A or 110A, also Samsung 1043S or 1666 cartridge. Both are same cartridge. The difference is the powder only. The toner powder, which is differ from HP and Samsung. This HP powder is magnetized and Samsung powder is non-magnetized. So we can't use both this 110A, 1043S, same powder, different powder, but method and all very similar, same. Method and all very similar and same. Basically, the Samsung printer, now the HP printer, this 110A, after HP bought from Samsung company, they modified a little bit and they converted. But basically, both cartridges are same architecture wise and internal wise. The only thing is differ from powder. This toner powder is different. This toner powder is different. We can't use the same powder for both 110A and 1043S. Right? First, I am going to explain how to refill 110A. The same method which is applicable for 1666. Right? The powder only will differ. First, I am going to open this cartridge. This is original cartridge. This is original cartridge. Compatible cartridges means there will be a screw. Original cartridges means which is locked. That is, so we have to use this minus screw just to give you a pressure, then it will come out. Right? Then same way you give the pressure, then it will come out. Take the top section. This is waste powder section. Waste powder section, first you remove the charge roller. Right? After removing the charge roller, clean the charge roller properly. Right? There will be a white notch and a green notch. Keep it separately. Then clean it properly and keep here. Right? Then remove the blade, unscrew the blade. There will be 2 screws. Unscrew them. Take out the blade. Right? Keep the blade aside. Right? Then remove the waste powder. In this 110A, there will be more waste powder. Completely remove the waste powder. Right? After completely removing the waste powder, in this model you will be having more waste powder. In this model you will be having more waste powder. Completely remove the waste powder, which is little bit difficult. You have to do carefully. You have to wear mask. Then only you have to do this job. That is very important. Okay? Without mask, you should not do this job. That is very important. After removing this waste powder, powder, pack the waste powder and throw into dustbin or some safe place. Okay, don't use the waste powder for refill purpose. This is waste. You should not use again. Right? And I'm going to clean this surface. Right. That's all. Then keep on waste cloth or waste cover or waste paper. Keep the blade again. Don't clean the blade. If you clean the blade, it will give some trouble to you. So better avoid to clean the blade. Then screw the blade. Here also screw the blade. Parallelly screw the blade. Don't one side make it tight and another side next. Do it parallelly. Right? Take the charge roller. The charge roller will, this side will have little bit length, this side a little bit small. This original cartridge only will be like this. Compatible cartridge both sides will be equal. Right? In compatible cartridge you won't find this notch and all. Only original cartridge you will find this notch. Right? Place it. Yeah. And make rotate. Yeah. Okay. Finish. Then take this. Right. See here. You will find one cover. Simply using minus, simply lift up the cover, it will come out. You will find a hole. Right? In this we are going to pour the powder. Better buy a packet which is easy to refill. If you buy bottle, you should use funnel. Right? So I am going to cut this. Right. Okay. After cutting, I am going to refill the powder fully. Before refill that, shake the powder nicely, that which is very easy to refill. Completely put. 80 gram is enough. 80 gram itself enough. If it gets full, simply close this. Right? Closed. Right? Okay. Then take the waste powder unit. Just close it. Close it. That's all. Your cartridge is ready. So both Samsung and 110A, the same method, the powder only which is different. Thanking you.